Well, if you look to Microsoft, well, they went away from Office 365, or basically they're going away from Office 365 to Microsoft 365. What is Microsoft 365? It is a combination of Office 365, Windows 10 as a service, and the enterprise mobility and security, as you can see. And Teams is only a small part of that, right? Teams is only part of that wheel because you have the security on the left side, Windows 10 on top, you have the extensibility with the Power App, the Power BI, and Flow, all connected to Azure, all connected to the graph. So when we talk about M365, Teams is part of that, yes, but Teams is not 100% of M365. It's only a part of that wheel.